Hi, 大家好. I'm Sharon. Welcome to I Like Mandarin. Glad to see you again. Appreciate to visit my channel. Today we are going to teach you how to say the days of the week in Chinese. If it's the first time you visit my channel, this channel is mainly teaching you how to speak Chinese like native speakers by including the right time to use those sentences and how to respond will make you speak fluent and correct Chinese. And I will do my best to find some easy way for you to speak Chinese. Even you are a beginner of Chinese Mandarin, it will be fun to learn Chinese easily and quickly. Okay, let's move to today's class. How to say the days of the week in Chinese Mandarin. If you already know how to say Chinese number from 1 to 6, then saying days of the week from Monday to Saturday will be just a piece of cake for you. The sentence structure for the days of the week in Chinese will possibly be simpler than you thought. You only need to know the words for the week, sun, sky, and the number from 1 to 6. Now let's start with the word week. It's 星期. There are two types of pronunciation of the week. In mainland China, people use 星期, 星期. Both characters are flat tones, first tone. But in Taiwan, people use 星期, 星期. The main difference between China and Taiwan is the second words, which need to be changed to second tone, rising tone, qi. In today's class, I will use Taiwan's pronunciation for practice. 星期, 星期. The other two terms are 周 and 礼拜, but 星期 is the most commonly used term in our daily life. In today's class, I will teach you three kinds of week in Chinese. Let's start with the first one, 星期. 星 literally means star, star in the sky, star. 期 literally means period. 星期, two words together, means week. 星期, 星期. Are you able to speak Chinese number from 1 to 6? If you didn't learn these numbers before, maybe you could just repeat after me, or you could click the link on the top or the link down below in the description. I also include some ropes to remember those numbers easily. How about we speak together for number 1 to 6? 1 is 一, 2 is 二, 3 is 三, 4 is 四, 5 is 五, 6 is 六. Very good. Let's move to the magic formula. The sentence structure for the days of the week is 星期 plus number. For example, Monday is 星期一. 星期 means a week, and the 一 means 1. We use 1 for Monday as it's the first day of the week. 星期一, 星期一. Tuesday is 星期二. It's simply because 星期二 is the second day of the week. So we use number 2, which is 二. 星期二, 星期二. For Wednesday, just take a guess which number we will use. Yes, we use number 3, which is 三. 星期三 is Wednesday, as it's the third day of the week. Wednesday is 星期 plus 三. 星期三. Then how about Thursday? Yes, it's the fourth day of the week, and we will use number 4. Number 4 is 四. So Thursday is 星期 plus 四. 星期四. 星期四 is Thursday. How about Friday? Friday is the 5th day of the week, and we will use number 5. Yes, number 5 is 五. So Friday is 星期 plus 五. 星期五. 星期五. Then Saturday is the 6th day of the week. It's used number 6 is 六. Saturday is 星期 plus 六，星期六，星期六。Okay, let's move to Sunday. I guess some of you might think Sunday should be number 7, as it's the 7th day of the week, which should be 星期七。Logically, I agree it's a reasonable thought, but actually we don't say 星期七 for Sunday. We say 星期天 or 星期日。天 means sky. 天 is flat tone. 天。Sunday is 星期 plus 天, so it will be 星期天。Another saying is 星期日。日 means sun. You can just think about the word sun and make it to Sunday. 星期 plus sun. 星期日。星期日。日 is fourth tone, angry tone. 星期日。Comparing the use frequency between 星期天 and 星期日, it's about 90 to 10 in China, but in Taiwan you can use both of them. 星期日 is a little bit formal, which will be used in written and article as well. The question we used to ask, what day is today? 今天星期几？今天 means today. 今天星期几 means which day of the week. 几 is a question word. It's often used to ask a number. If you want to be polite, we can just add 请问 before 今天星期几。请 means please. 问 is ask. 请问今天星期几？ The answer for this question is very simple. You just need to tell the days. For example, you ask me, 请问今天星期几？ What day is today? I will say, 星期五 which is Friday. 星期五 Then how about, what day is tomorrow? The sentence will be, 请问明天星期几？明天 is tomorrow. 明天。If today is Friday, how about tomorrow? 明天 is 星期六. Yes, Saturday. So, 明天星期六. Again, 明天星期六。Now we need to learn what day is yesterday. 请问昨天星期几？昨天 means yesterday. 昨天。Okay, if today is Friday, how about yesterday? Yes, yesterday will be Thursday. Thursday, we use number 4. So the answer is 昨天星期四。Here I made a song to help you remember the days of the week. I used the song of the little star and changed the lyrics. Let's pretend today is Friday. The lyrics are, what day is today, please? Today is Friday. What day is yesterday, please? Yesterday is Thursday. What day is tomorrow, please? Tomorrow is Saturday. Let's start from the first sentence. What day is today, please? 请问今天星期几？ Today is Friday. 今天星期五。 Let's try to sing by the song of Little Star. 请问今天星期几？今天星期五。 Okay, very good. Next two sentences. What day is yesterday, please? 请问昨天星期几？ Yesterday is Thursday. 昨天星期四。请问昨天星期几？昨天星期四。 Okay, next two sentences. What day is tomorrow, please? 请问明天星期几？ Tomorrow is Saturday. 明天，明天，星期六。Okay, let's try to sing a song. 请问明天星期几？明天，明天，星期六。Okay, let's sing a song in one time. From the first sentence. 请问今天星期几？今天，今天，星期五。请问昨天星期几？昨天，昨天，星期四。请问明天星期几？明天，明天，星期六。Okay, after we finish 星期, let's practice 礼拜 and the 周. You can just use 礼拜 or 周 to replace 星期. The magic formula is the same. Use 礼拜 or 周 plus number to be Monday to Saturday. Let's learn 礼拜 first. 礼 literally means ceremony. It's third tone, falling rising tone. 礼 拜 means worship. It's fourth tone. 拜 angry tone. 礼拜 two words together means worship as well. 礼拜 Let's practice how to use 礼拜 for the days of the week. Monday is 礼拜一. Tuesday is 礼拜二. Wednesday is 礼拜三. Thursday is 礼拜四. Friday is 礼拜五. Saturday is 礼拜六. How about Sunday? Not 礼拜七. It's 礼拜天 or 礼拜日. We can use the same way to practice 周. 周 is first tone, flat tone. 周 Then Monday is 周一. Tuesday is 周二. Wednesday is 周三. Thursday is 周四. Friday is 周五. Saturday is 周六. Sunday is 周日. Could we use 周天? No, you cannot use 周天. If you use 周 for the day of the week, you can only use 周日 for Sunday. It's the most special parts. The others are the same as 星期 and 礼拜. Now let's recap what's covered in today's lesson. Monday to Saturday, we can just use 星期 or 礼拜 or 周 plus number. For Sunday, you can use 星期 or 礼拜 plus 日 or 天. But if you want to use 周, you can use only 日 周日 for Sunday. Before the end of this video, let's sing the week song to practice again. 请问今天星期几？今天星期五。请问昨天星期几？昨天星期四。请问明天星期几？明天星期六。Thanks for watching today's video. Please leave your message if you have any question to say the days of the week. And please practice today's sentence in Chinese. In next video, I will show you how to say numbers from 11 to 100 in Chinese. I really hope you enjoyed today's videos. If you feel it's useful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and click the bell, then you will receive more free videos. I will see you soon. Bye!